This kit review is of the 1978 Chevy Blazer. This is the pulled pork or bulldozer, and this is a 1/24 scale model by Revell, and looks like this one is used for pulling competitions. There are the dimensions and pictures of the finished truck. It's a very nice looking truck, very pink. Okay, let's have a look inside. Get the box open there. Well, let's start off here with our body. And we've got some very nice details here. You can see our engine bay there. Do have some recessed lines. They're a little thin, need to be deepened. And this is all going to have to be removed for the inside. That's just for molding purposes. Here we have our tires made out of vinyl. Got some nice tread there. The rest of these screws here. Here is our cab with the truck bed on it. It is textured. Here we've got our engine and transmission. Here's the back of the it's the lift gate, and headers, engine parts, steering column. Here is our chassis with exhaust molded in, and looks like maybe part of our maybe a roll bar there. Some more engine parts, fire extinguisher. It's very odd how that is molded onto that. I guess this whole part is actually the part that's probably our roll bar there as well. Over here we've got more parts for the roll bar, including our lights. There's the fan shroud for the radiator. We've got some exhaust parts here. More engine parts here for our air intake distributor cap there. Okay, here are our suspension and axles with drive shafts attached. That's the front one. You can see there's the there's our steering rack. We've got a fan for the radiator. We've got wheel parts, and then I imagine more parts for the inside of our truck bed. And we've got our radiator. Here's our dashboard and pedal box. Got a steering wheel, some suspension parts. Here's our front hood, which is open for our air intake. That's probably part of the supercharger there. We've got a single seat. This is not a regular use truck. Okay, here is the glass. And there is our front windshield. We've got some lights here. It looks like this is something for the front. I don't know if that's supposed to be a winch or not. We'll have to look and see. And then we've got our rear glass and possibly side there. We also have our chrome parts here. There's our front grille, wheels, and that goes in the front. I'm not really sure what that part is for. We've got a stick shift there, some light parts there. There's the rear bumper and our headlights, some engine parts. Here we have our instructions and decals. Here are the decals, and those are very nicely printed. That is very nice. Okay, here are the details about this one here, the 78 Chevy Blazer. And it's for a truck pulling competition. Here are the colors needed. create the pink, white gloss and red gloss. Parts there. Start to build the engine, and then our suspension. We put the cab together. Put the glass going in the cab there. We've got the cab being mounted on the body. There's the fan, radiator, and front grille going on. There's the rear bumper, and then also the tow bar. That's for the front. Not really sure what that's supposed to be. It's something, I guess, involved in pulling. Not sure. Here's our air intake going on, and that's all mounted on the engine inside the bay, as well as our exhausts. There's the roll bar, wheels and tires going on, our front hood, our mirrors, and then here's the paint and decal guide. And that looks like a very fun model kit with some very nice options.